The RAF say that safety is their priority after grounding many of the aircraft from the Battle of Britain memorial flight because of an engine problem. The Lancaster, 2 Hurricanes and 4 of the Spitfires based at RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire are all affected. Well, Gemma Dawson is at Coningsby at the moment. How soon will they be flying again, I suppose, is the question everybody wants to know the answer to.
Well, Peter, we still don't know. We're told that a fault was found during a routine inspection of one of the Merlin engines. They say that they're still investigating the problem, but as a precaution, they've decided to ground all of the Merlin-powered aircraft here. We are told that some of the other aircraft here at the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight are still operating, but really this is very disappointing for enthusiasts. Yesterday, they missed an appearance at Weymouth. Today, they cancelled an appearance at Eastbourne. And we are now less than a month away from the very first Scampton Air Show.
We are dealing with very technical aircraft, and sometimes these sort of things happen and you have to make difficult decisions, but it won't affect the air show. We are still planning to have the second biggest air show in the UK at RAF Scampton in just 3 weeks' time.
Well, the RAF say that safety is their priority of their crews and of their historic aircraft. The Lancaster here is one of only 2 left flying in the world. And so when these aircraft appear at air shows, they attract huge crowds. And so air show organisers and spectators around the country will be hoping that they'll be flying again very soon.
Yeah, let's hope so. Gemma, thank you very much indeed. We'll let you know.